Now let's move to our next topic, that is Azure Service Bus, which is also a type of message broker, but that provides on Azure ecosystem. So what is an Azure Service Bus? An Azure Service Bus is a cloud messaging system that help business connect application and exchange data in a secure and reliable way. It offers a variety of features including message queuing, routing, and monitoring. So likewise, Kafka, Azure Service Bus is also used as a part of message broker, and it can be used in a microservices environment to process and exchange data in a secure and a reliable way. It is an ideal choice for business that need to send an extra information between application component in a reliable and secure manner. It supports one-to-one, one-to-many, publish subscribe, and more advanced feature like transactions and sessions. So you can say that an Azure Service Bus can be used in multiple scenario. If you want to process data one-to-one, that is, there would be a single producer and a single consumer, then it can be also useful. It can be also useful if you want to process data one-to-many, that is, there would be a single producer and there would be a multiple consumer. That is, you can deploy your application on multiple instances while only a single client application process the messages. It is also useful in a PubSub mechanism where we can have multiple publishers and multiple subscriber, and likewise Kafka. A topic can also be maintained into an Azure Service Bus, and it also support other advanced features like transactions and session. We can maintain a session in an Azure Service Bus so that a message of a typical type or a same type would be rerouted to a same consumer. These are the features of an Azure Service Bus, which makes it a well suited for any enterprise messaging system. As the diagram suggests, the Azure Service Bus consists of two different parts. The first part is queues and the second part is topic. We'll discuss about queues and topics in general in the upcoming slide, but you can simply think that these queues and topics are the part of processing one-to-one or one-to-many or PubSub mechanism in an Azure Service Bus. What is an Azure Service Bus queue? An Azure Service Bus queue is an entity that enables communication between various applications and services. It provides an efficient way of messages to be exchanged between applications and services. The sender application sends a message to a queue and the receiver application retrieves a message from the queue. In simple terms, you can say a queue is a channel that enables a communication between various applications and the other services. So whatsoever message that you sent to an Azure Service Bus, that will be stored into a queue. You can provision a separate consumer at the end of Azure Service Bus, which can keep reading a message from this queue. A message would be sent into a queue and the receiver application receives the message. And the main advantage of using a queue is that it decouples the sender and the receiver application, which is the main advantage of any of the message broker. The core concept of using a message broker is just to have a decoupled logic or decoupling between the sender and receiver, and the Azure Service Bus queues also does the same thing. It decouples the logic or decouples the connection between the sender and the receiver applications. You can simply understand with the help of a diagram that there are multiple senders, let's say sender 1, 2, and 3, and this is an Azure Service Bus queue. And on the receiver side, there is one receiver. The receiver keep on receiving messages that is sent by the sender, and based on the process tracking, it tracks the different messages. Now let's move to the next question. What is an Azure Service Bus topic? So likewise queue, we do have a separate concept in Azure Service Bus as well, and that is called as a Azure Service Bus topic. Azure Service Bus topic is again a cloud-based messaging system from Microsoft that helps us to build application that communicate in the cloud. We can send and receive messages between application and services without to having worry about the infrastructure or security. It is a reliable and secure way to connect the application and services. The only difference between the Azure Service Bus message or a queue and a topic, that a queue promote a many to one communication, where a topic can promote a many to many communication. So it's like a broadcasting a message. A sender can broadcast a message to a multiple topics, and the multiple topics there would be multiple receiver. The receiver can keep on listening those messages, and as soon as whosoever receiver is available, it will receive the message from the queue or from the topic and then process the entity. So You can simply think of a topic in a way in which we can apply a filter. If we want to move a topic to a particular if we want to move a particular message to a particular topic, we can rewrite that rule. We can provision multiple receiver at the receiver end to route data to the multiple receivers, and then those receiver will process those messages. So this is all about an Azure Service Bus topic.